Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. This model has a 45 TFSI engine with 265 PS and the slick S-tronic gearbox, delivering a 0 to 60 time of just 6.1 seconds. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved use Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, giving this a stylish look over the Sport model. While as standard, we have the famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, so you can be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the striking Matrix LED headlights, not only providing high quality illumination, but with the high beam assist, it means you can automatically raise it at the main beam, depending on the traffic. Moving around the side of the car, we have the optional 20-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels, which look amazing, and complement the stunning Floret Silver paintwork perfectly, while there's also heated, electrically adjustable and folding body-coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side window trim strips, as well as aluminium roof rails, really setting off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see that even with the sloping roofline, there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the leather and Alcantara upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secured on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, perfect for those long road trips, which we're sure you'll be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper, and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish look over the Sport model. To access the boot, just double tap the button on the key, or use a soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot, with 510 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flatback furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just push the button on the power operated tailgate and it will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Inside, it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats upholstered in leather and Alcantara, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car, with the electric lumbar support adding the extra convenience on those longer journeys. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. We also have the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear, which we'll come on to later. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather high multifunction sport steering wheel, with buttons to control the virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for your connected device for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding the extra customizability for the display. This model has ridden 5,325 miles, while its warranty is still valid until the 9th of September 2024. It will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch multimedia interface Navigation Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media with the option of wireless Apple CarPlay, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options. But a personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most travel focused. We also have the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, so if heading to lights and vision and background lighting, you'll see the predefined colour modes. There's plenty of options to choose from, such as Impulse, Maritime and Caribbean, but you've also got individual, so if heading to surfaces and colours, you'll see the 30 different colour options to choose from to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. As mentioned earlier, there's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear, which you can tailor to your liking, so if heading to settings and sound, you'll be able to amend various settings such as a treble and bass, so you can hear media in full clarity. Not only that, but we also have the optional 360-degree camera system, with plenty of views for the front, rear and side, which can change on the left hand side, or by using the toggles at the lower edge of the screen, and it will come really handy, especially when navigating through those tight spaces, while the front and rear dynamic guidelines ensure you can easily park into any parking space. Moving down, we have the controls for the Deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, with separate controls for the passenger, rear passengers and driver, with plenty of configurability to your liking. You can easily change the temperature, speed and direction on the move without taking eyes off the road, while we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. This was the walk around of the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, test drive or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.